Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah, hi Vaibhav. Hi. Should we start?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Right. So I've shared my screen. I hope you can see that.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So
Yeah.
let's just start with our this first lecture directly. Okay. So first of all, you just brief me like for what purpose you are learning the language and any past experience of learning whatever.
My wife is already there in Germany. She's
Okay.
doing her masters.
Okay.
So sooner or later, within 1 year, I was also planning to
Hmm.
reach there and to
Hmm.
get a job. I'm an electrical engineer.
Okay. 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 And currently you are in Saudi, right?
Saudi Arabia, yes.
Okay. Good. Okay.
So should we go for A1, A2 and B1 or what?
Minimum, see, these days what happens na A1 to B1 is the minimum thing. Okay, for
Right.
jobs in engineering stream in electrical, you will, what will happen, you will, even if you don't learn German, then also you can get job. Okay,
Right.
but only in few
Hmm.
companies, not all companies. Only there are some companies wherein German environment is not there, German speaking environment is not there. They are completely English speaking. So in few companies you can
Right.
get job. But if you learn German, your chances of getting job will be like 1,000 times more as compared to any other person who doesn't know.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
so
Right.
in terms of level, target A1 till B1. But my suggestion is that after you do B1, after that you plan for B2 also. Okay, there
Hmm.
are two reasons of
Okay.
that. First reason is that see many companies which were earlier who were like just satisfied with the B1 certificate, many of them they have changed their job description criteria and now they are asking B2. Many companies.
Hmm.
Okay, in the electrical field only I'm saying. And second thing is that when you do B2, your language skills they get 10 times higher because doing B2 is totally different thing as compared to doing B1. Okay, B1
Right.
is something like
Hmm.
you are just still you are a beginner in language. That is B1. You can speak, you can speak, interact, everything you can do, right? Actual beginner course is the
Hmm.
A1 course, but in terms of proficiency, it is the B1 level is the minimum level. So if you do
Right.
B2, your proficiency increases manifold. So my suggestion is that after you do B1, after that you plan for B2 also. Or right now, if you want, you can go for A1 till B2 together, or else go for A1 till B1. After you clear B1, after that you take your time 1 month, 2 month, 4 month, or parallelly you can
Hmm.
start B2 also after that. But you should do B2 also. After that, nothing required. Don't do C1 and all that is not required.
Right. Right.
Okay, C1 is required only if you take admission in some German university, for higher education where you have the
Yeah, yeah, right.
German taught curriculum. Then
But
only that test def and C1 is
that for
required.
sure, I am not planning for my further education. Sure,
Okay.
I will directly see.
Hmm.
My main purpose is to
Hmm.
reach there. So
Hmm.
maybe next in 6 months or 9 months or 1 year,
Hmm.
I will apply for
Hmm.
this job seeker visa,
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Correct.
and
Correct.
I will get visa for 6 months, and then I will travel there and try to search for a job.
Yes, that's good. And so with B1, your job seeker visa chances will become like they will become very good with that. Okay, so that's a very good thing. You can go with that. Okay, it's a correct approach. So go with that A1 till B1. Later, if you get time, once you reach there, you can plan for that B2 also after that. Okay,
Right. Right. Right.
right. Okay, so let's start now. So I hope you might have watched some of the videos which I gave you on WhatsApp.
Yeah, I
Okay.
watched it already
Hmm.
the day you sent it to me, not
Okay.
today. So I've
Okay.
already watched your
Okay. Good.
videos and I can
Okay.
understand how you are going through.
Yes, yes, yes. So, see, in today's lecture, we'll be starting with the pronunciation. Whenever we learn a language, any language, first of all, we start with its letters, with the script that what
Right.
ABCD is there, what 1 2 3 4 is there, what are the names
Mm.
of the letters, then what are the sounds of those letters. Okay.
Right.
So, German, as you know,
Mm.
German has the same Roman script. Okay. The same Roman
Mm.
script, same ABCD, same 1 2 3 4, which we have in English, right?
Mm.
The same script which we have in English, that is there in German also. Now the thing is, the ABCD which we have in English, ABCDEFG, right? In German we never speak the letters like that. Okay, in
Right.
German we have something
Mm.
called as ABCDEFG, right? So I am playing one
Right.
video. First of all, I am playing one video, right? You try to listen to that. This is the German list of letters, German ABCD. Okay, and no need to
Mm.
note down anything. All this video, PDF, everything I will be sending you today itself. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So just
Mm.
enjoy the lecture. I'm playing it. I'm playing it twice. Listen to it.
Okay.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Once again.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Okay. So that is the German list of letters. Now you have to repeat the letters with me. Okay. Speak A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
Yeah. Once again. A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
Then A, F, G.
A, F, G.
A, F, G.
A, F, G.
Then H, I, J, K.
H, I, J, K.
L, M, N, O, P.
L, M, N, O, P.
Yeah. H, I, J, K.
H, I, J, K.
L, M, N, O, P.
L, M, N, O, P.
Then Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, S, T.
U, V, W.
U, V, W.
U, V, W.
U, V, W.
X, Y, Z.
X, epsilon, Z.
Okay.
X,
X, Y, and Z. Clear?
Z. Yeah, clear.
Okay. So, okay. Once again.
Okay.
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
A, F, G.
A, F, G.
Then H, I, J, K.
H, I, J, K.
L, M, N, O, P.
L, M, N, O, P.
Q, R, S, T.
U, R, S, T.
U, V, W.
U, V, W.
Then X, Y, Z.
X, epsilon, Z.
X, not X, okay? X, Y,
X,
Z.
X, epsilon, Z. Okay.
Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am playing it once again, twice. Listen to it.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
What they call it, Z? It's not only Z.
Z, okay? Z.
Z. Z. Okay. Z.
Okay, clear?
Okay.
Yeah. Tell me any doubt till here? Okay, so once again, start the letters with me. A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D. A, F, G.
H, I, J, K.
H, I, J.
H, I, J, K.
H, I, J, K. L, M, N, O, P.
Q, R, S, T.
Q, R, S, T. V, W. No. What? U. Q, R, S, T. U, V, W. U, V, W.
Right? Then X, Y,
Yeah.
Z.
X, epsilon, Z. X, X.
Okay, repeat again, once again. A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D. A, F, G. H, A.
H, I, J, K.
H, I, J, K. M, N, O, P, K.
Hmm. Yeah.
S
Ha e yacht
S
ka LMNO pay. Then
E Yotka
hmm.
LMNOP Q R S T
Ku air este. Hmm.
Q S T U V
U fao way.
U V U V X X Epsilon Z U V Fow. How they will pronounce my name? Vaibhav. Fow. This is the way.
Which one?
How they will pronounce my name?
They will say fao
Vaibhav.
a like this. Okay. So I'm giving you some letters here. See where you will need these letters. Let's say I have some capital letters like BMW, CD, okay, LIC, like this. Okay. So wherever you have some capital letters, then you have to speak the actual German ABCD. If there is BMW, you don't have to say BMW. You will say BMW,
Right.
right?
Hmm. BMW.
Clear now? So try to
Yeah.
speak your letter now. The name of your letters. Speak them.
Vaibhav.
Hmm.
Fa
Fao,
A
fao, a.
Fow A A
Hmm.
B H
A, E.
A
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, ha, E. Fao, A, E. B, ha,
Fow
A, and fao.
B A A Fow.
Yeah. Clear? Okay, I'm giving you some more names here. Okay.
Hmm.
Try to speak them. Yeah, try to speak these letters.
R A M A N A R U N
Hmm.
A M E T. What's I?
E, E. Okay.
E A M E T K U M A R
Hmm.
N E K E T A N E K E T A.
Okay. N, E, K, E.
N E K E
Not K,
T
it's
A.
Ka, Ka. Ha, E, yacht, Ka. Okay. Ka, E, T, and A.
Yotka. Sorry again.
It's Ka, Ka. Ha, E, yacht, Ka, not K.
Yotka. Okay.
Got it now? This thing?
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay. So now, see, the next thing is that these were the names of letters. Now, the actual thing is that you have to understand the rules of pronunciation. Okay.
Okay.
So I am opening the file. So you will see the sounds of A, B, C, D, so on. Okay. See here. So first of all, I am drawing one table B, D, G, P, T, K. You can see my screen. Okay. So whenever any word, if it ends with B, D, and G, any word in German, if it ends with B, D, and G, then respectively the sound will be per, ta, and ka. Okay. If any word in German, if it ends with B, D, and G, then the sound will be per, ta, and ka.
For
Right? Okay. So speak this example, right hand side.
gap,
Geep, geep,
give,
hmm.
kin,
Kint,
tack,
tak. Not tag, it's tak, tak.
tack.
Okay. Geep, kint, and tak. Then A is having two sounds, A and A. Okay. A is having two sounds, A and A. After A, if it is one consonant. Okay. After A, if it is one consonant, then it will have the A sound. Right? After A, if it is one consonant. What is consonant? This B, D, G, P, T, K. No, sorry, this B, C, D, F, G, H. These are consonants.
Right.
Right? So you have to count the number of consonants After A, coming directly. So see here, A and T. Tell me how many consonants after A?
2.
Okay, two consonants. And okay, speak the next example. After A, how many?
FRAGEN. 1.
Okay, one. Very good. Directly only one. Right? Directly it is only one. Got it?
1. Right.
Okay. Now after this, the next one is TRAGEN. Here also only one.
1. Tragen. Alt, Fragen, Tragen.
Yeah. Alt, Fragen and Tragen.
Okay. If one consonant, it will be A.
Yeah.
If more than one, A. Okay.
Hmm.
Fragen, Tragen.
So Alt, Fragen and Tragen.
Tragen. Okay.
Right? After A, if it is two consonant, then A sound, otherwise A. After A, if it is one consonant, then A sound, otherwise it is A. Okay? After A, if it is one consonant, then it will be A sound, otherwise it will have the A sound. Got it?
Oh.
Yeah. So Alt, Fragen and Tragen.
Tragen.
Okay? Got it?
Hmm.
Then next is E. Okay? Next is E. E is having the A sound. Always it is having the A sound. Okay? A sound like area, something like this. Okay?
A.
Yeah. So you speak the example SN. Okay?
SN.
SN egal.
Eagle.
Right? SN egal. After a one consonant, SN egal.
Eagle. Okay.
Right. So now speak the example I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Okay? Right? After I, for I we have two rules. After I, if it is one consonant, then long E, otherwise short E. Clear? So speak the example. Ist.
East. Wider. 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 Built.
Yeah. Ist, wider and built.
Wider.
Okay. Ist, wider and built. After I, it is three consonant. So short E. Ist, wider and built.
Wider. Built.
Got it now?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. If you see here GIB, tell me after I how many consonants?
EFGI. Sorry, which one?
GIB, after I how many consonants?
1. Geep.
Geep.
2. So kint.
Kint and tak.
Tak. Double A. One consonant.
Okay. Geep,
Tak.
kint and tak.
Geep. Kint. Tak.
Yeah. A, E, I. Next is O. After O, it is two consonants. After O, if it is one consonant, then it is O sound, otherwise O for awesome.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
After O, if it is one consonant, then O sound, otherwise O for awesome.
Order.
Okay. Order.
Order.
Next. Zol.
Roll.
Zol. SS. Zol.
Zol. Okay. Zol.
And monad.
Monad.
Okay.
What?
Order. Zol and monad.
Monad and corp. Two consonant.
Next is corp. Okay. After O, if it is two consonant, then O sound. So corp. B in the end is per. Right?
Okay.
Next is U. U is having the U sound. Okay? U is having the U sound. So speak the example.
Ul. Tun.
Motor.
Tun.
Motor.
Mater.
And shoe.
Shoe.
Okay, right? Tone, motor, and shoe. SCH is sh. SCH is a consonant combination. That is sh sound.
Hmm.
Tone, motor,
Shoe.
and shoe.
Shoe.
Okay. Next is B. B in the end is per. Beginning or middle is B for Bombay. Okay. B in the end is per. Beginning or middle is B for Bombay. Got it?
Right. Okay.
Okay. So speak the example. Belen.
Belen.
Next.
Oben.
Oben. Next.
Oben. Corp. Corp.
Corp. Next.
Gip.
Geep. Okay. Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep. Next is C. C is K. Okay. C is K sound. Speak the example.
Camping.
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 Okay. C is having the K sound. That is camping. Okay. Next is D. D in the end is T. Beginning or middle is D for dog.
Okay.
Okay. D in the end is T. Beginning or middle is D for dog.
Dog.
So speak.
Bede.
Baida. Baida. EI is I. Okay. Baida.
Okay. Bida.
Mm.
Bida.
Next.
Vider.
Vidar. Vidar.
IE. Vider.
Hmm.
Vider. Bat.
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 Hmm.
Hand. Hunt.
Yeah. Yeah. Hunt.
Hunt. Double A.
HAND. Okay. Hunt.
Hunt. Okay.
Right. Doom. Baida. EI is I sound. Doom. Baida. Vidar. Bat and Hunt.
Bat. Dom. Bida. Vida. Bat. Hunt.
Yeah. EI is I is E. Okay. Next is F. F is for football. Okay. Speak the example.
Okay. Foul.
Foul. AU is ow. So foul.
Foul. Chef. Shaft.
Shaft. SH is sh. Okay. Shaft.
Shaft.
Next.
Gegen.
Gegen. Tak.
Tak. Kluk.
Kluk. Gegen. Tak
L-U.
and Kluk.
Kluk. Okay.
Okay. Next is
Okay.
H. H in the beginning is her, and middle or end it is silent. Okay. H in the beginning is her. Beginning is first position. So H in the beginning is her, and middle
Right.
or end it is silent.
Silent. Halt.
Yeah. Halt.
Halt.
Next.
Halt. What's the second one? G-E-H-E-N.
GEHEN. Gain.
Gain.
Hmm.
Gain.
Next.
Zen. Zen.
Zen.
Zen.
Okay. Halt. Gain and Zen. Next is
Halt. Gain.
J. J is year for yellow.
Okay.
Okay. So speak the example.
Younger.
Yunga.
Younger. Or you.
Next. KLMNP. Kalamanapa. Speak the example.
A-L-M-N-P. It's the same like English, right?
Cluster. Cluster. Chicken.
Class. Chicken. Keller. Will. Atman. Atman, right? Swim.
Yeah.
Or swim.
Okay.
Ramen. Brown. Brown.
Renan Brown and then Lipper.
Lippa.
Got it? Okay.
Yeah.
So I am sending you this PDF file first of all. Right? Go to your Skype chat, download this file.
Okay.
I'll send you the PDF file. Download the file first of all. Go through the file for 5-7 minutes. Try to revise and retain all the rules. Okay? right? Today it is the first class, so take your time. There is no hurry. Go through it for 7 to 8 minutes. Try to remember all the rules as much as possible. Then we'll move ahead from Q.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. Download it. Go through it.
Patak. Gip. Kint. Tak. Gip. Kint. Tak. Kar. Alt. Alt. Fraga. Traga. A. Egal. Egal. T. E. East. We dare. Build. East. We dare. Build. Oder. Soul. 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 Mona. Corp. 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 Tun. Mater. Shu. Belen. Belen. Oben. Corp. Corp. Gip. Gip. Camping. Dum. Bede. Bede. We dare. Bat. Hunt. 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 Foul. Chef. Chef. Gegen. Tak. Kluk. 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 H. Halt. Gehen. Sehen. Junge. Junge. Classy. Chicken. Chicken. Keller. Will. Edmund. Schwim. Remen. Ram. Lepe. Lipa. Po. Lepe.
Okay, done.
Yes, okay.
So now what you have to do, I am sharing the screen. You have to explain me the rule and then the example. Okay, you can start from the top. Explain me the rule and the example.
If word ends with B, it will become pa. Ends with D, it will become ta. And ends with G, it will become K. Ka.
Yeah.
So gib, kind, tag.
Hmm.
Tag. Okay. Double A. If alt.
After
Okay.
A, if it is one consonant, then A,
After
otherwise
A,
A. Okay.
it will become double A, right?
No, not double A. It is the A sound, not double A.
Ah, sorry.
Okay.
Ah.
Hmm.
And if one, it will become U.
Hmm.
Alt, fragan, tragan.
Hmm. Okay.
E, sen, A,
Yeah.
A.
SN.
After E to consonant, it will become A.
E is always A. Whether one consonant or two consonant, it
E
is
is
always
always there. Okay. E, isen,
SN.
egal.
Egal. Next. I.
Okay. I,
Hmm.
I.
Yeah.
If after I, there is more than one, it will become E.
Yeah.
And if one after I, it will become E there. E.
Yeah.
No, same.
Okay.
A. Double E and E. But it pronounced same. East. We there. Oh, we. East. We. Built. Okay. I is also sounds like same in both the way. Double E or IH.
I is having two sounds. After I, if it is one constant, then long E. Otherwise, short E. Okay. So east, wider, and built.
Built. Okay.
Yeah. Next is O. Speak the example of O.
Oder. If one consonant after O, it will become O. And if more than one, it will become Au. Oder. Sol. Monarch. Corp.
Yeah.
Corp.
Next, U.
Yeah. U. U will sound like double O. Everywhere, right? Tune.
Yeah.
Motor. Shoe.
Okay. Tone, motor, and shoe.
Yeah. Motor and shoe.
Correct. Next is B.
B. If it comes in and, it will become paw.
Yeah. B in the end is pa. Okay.
For bed.
So belen.
Obey. Corp. Give.
Correct.
Right.
Next is C. Okay. C is having the ka sound. Speak the example.
Camping.
Okay. C is just like English only. Then D. Speak the rule and the example.
D for dog, and if it comes in and, it will become ta.
Yeah.
Bede. Vide. Videre, Bart, Hunt,
Bart and Hunt. Okay. Next is F. F is for. So speak the example.
F is for.
Hmm.
I can see the example. Foul,
Foul.
foul, shaft,
Foul and
shaft,
then shaft. Okay.
foul, shaft.
Next G.
G, Gegen, G for gun. If it comes in hand, it will become K.
Yeah.
Gegen, Tak, Kluk.
Gegen, Tak and Kluk. Okay. Next is H. H in the beginning is her. Middle or end it is silent. So speak the example.
Halt,
Hmm.
Gain, Zen.
Halt, Gain and Zen.
Zen.
Yeah.
Gain, Zen.
Next is J. J is having the year sound. Speak the example of J.
Yeah. Okay. Junge, Junge,
Junga.
Junga,
Hmm.
Junga. KLMNP.
KLMNP. Okay. So speak the example. Kala, Manapa, same sound.
Class,
Cluster.
Clasher, Chicken, Keller, 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 Will, Atman, Atman, Swim, Remen,
Renan.
Renan, Brown,
Yeah.
Lippe, Lipper,
Renan, Brown and Lipper. Okay.
Lipper.
Okay. Clear now? Everything till P? Clear? P is clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. I have shared the new file now. Okay. See here Q. Next letter which we have is Q. So Q always comes with U in German. Okay. Q always comes with U. So QU sound is qua. QU sound is qua. Speak the just like English qua quality. So speak the example quer.
Where? Right. Where?
Okay. Quer. Next is R. R is guttural R. R sound. Okay. R is guttural R. R sound. So speak the example. Riser.
Raise.
Riser.
Raise.
Then brooder.
Raise.
Riser. Next brooder.
Where is Ruder?
This one. Brooder.
I can't read anything.
Brooder. See my mouse pointer.
Brooder.
Brooder and Schwester.
Schwester.
Okay. Riser, brooder and Schwester. Okay. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. Next is S. Single S is the, double S is sir.
Single S is Z.
Yeah.
Zoo.
And double S is sir.
And sound. Okay.
So speak the example.
Zingen. Slosh.
Okay. Zingen and then Schloss. Next is T. T is T for tomato. Speak the example.
Tanken.
Next.
Ratan.
Yeah.
Ratten.
Tanken and Ratten. T for tomato.
Rat.
Okay. Tanken and Ratten.
Ratten. Its last is En.
Yeah.
So it will
En.
become En or Ratten only.
No, you speak Ratten. Already N sound is coming. Ratten. You don't have to highlight that. Don't sing a song. Ratten. Not like that. Speak normally. Ratten. Okay.
Ratten.
Then V and W is very important. V is fur sound.
Right.
Okay. And W is ver sound. So example is Volkswagen. Okay. So you don't have to call it as Volks or Vox. Nothing like that. It's Volkswagen. Okay. Fox means people. Wagen means car. It's a German company only. Okay. So next is feel. Speak. Feel. Feel. V is for feel.
Feel.
Not fill. It's feel. I-E is E. I told you, no? I-E is long E. Feel. Next for. Next Wasser. Next vegan.
vegan,
Next is wo.
then wo.
Okay. Feel for
Okay.
Wasser, vegan, and wo.
Fill for was and vegan for.
Next is
Okay.
X. X is X only. Speak the example. X is X.
Extralum.
X is Strahlen. Okay. X is X only. The example is X is Strahlen.
Stralum.
Got it? Next is Y.
Yeah.
Y is Ui. Okay. Y is Ui. Speak the example. Hmm.
Tweet.
Yeah. Twip.
Twip.
Y is
Twip.
Ui. So twip. Next is Z. Z is Ta and Sa mix. Okay. Ta and Sa mix. So example is Sight and Sook.
Site.
Sight and Sook.
Site. Zook.
Okay. Z-E-I-T. That is sight.
Sight.
And next one is Sook. Got it?
Okay.
So we have done till Z, right? I am sending you the PDF first. You go through that from Q till Z and revise the first file also from A till P. Revise that also and then revise this Q till Z. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I have sent you the file. Download that. Revise that first. Got the file?
Yes. It's
Okay.
downloading.
Go through it.
Halt. 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 T. Tick. T. Tick. Who. Where. Q. Where. Where. Please. 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 Ruda. 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 Shweshta. Shweshtar. Z. Zu. Sa. Su. Zingen. Zingen. Schloss. Schloss. Denken. Denken. Ratten. Duncan. Ratten. Fa. 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 Fill. Fill. For. Wizard. Vegan. Wizard. Vegan. Who. Extroller. Stroller. Stroller. X-rays. X-rays. E. U. Type. Twip. 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 Set. Set. Slow. Slow. Sick. Slow. Shit. Shut. Shh.
Okay, done.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, let's start from the first one from ABCD. Okay, you have to speak the example only from this first page. I have opened the file. You can speak the example and the rule. Okay.
If B comes in and it will become P. If D in ends, it will become T. G in and it will become K. Gib, kind, tak.
Next.
And A. Double A and U. Alt. Because two consonant after A. Alt. Fragan, tragan. Because of one consonant.
Yeah, next. E.
E. Esen. A. Esen, egal.
SN and egal. Okay.
Esen, egal. Okay. I. Directly before single word. East. We dare. And build. East. We dare and build. Okay. Okay.
Next. O.
O. Oder. Soul. Monad. Corp. Monad corp. Okay. U. Tun.
Yeah.
Motor. Mater.
Motor. Okay.
Motor. Motor. Shoe. Okay. Then B. B for ball, and if comes in last, it will become paw.
Yeah.
P.
Belen.
Belen. Oben. Corp. Gib.
Monad, corp and geep. Okay. Belen, oben, corp and geep.
Corp and
Next. C.
C will become ka. It's a kite. Camping. Camp.
Then D in the end is star. Beginning or middle is D for dog.
It's D for dog. Doom. Beda. Vide. Videre. Bart. Hunt.
Vidar, Bart and Hunt.
Art and hunt.
Okay. Next F.
F for football. If comes last, it will become go. Foul. Shaft.
Okay.
Foul.
Next.
Shaft. G G for gun.
Hmm.
If comes in last, it will become K.
Yeah.
Gegen, Tag,
Hmm.
Klug.
Gegen, Tag and Klug.
Tag, Klug.
Next, H.
H for hand.
Hmm.
Halt,
Hmm.
halt. Gehen,
Hmm.
Zen. Gain, Zen. Okay.
Halt, Gehen and
Gain,
Zen.
Gain and Zen.
Yeah.
J will pronounce Y. Y, yellow.
Hmm.
Yange.
Yeah.
Yange. Then KLMNO. Clash.
Hmm.
Shikan. Shikan.
Hmm.
Keller. Will.
Hmm.
Then what's the last one?
Keller, Will, Atman, Shrim.
Ant-Man, Shrimp.
Hmm.
Shrimp. Raman. Brown.
Hmm.
Slipper.
Okay, very good. Renan Brown and Lipper. Now the next one which we have is Q. So speak the letters from here, from Q.
Q. Very true. Please go to the top.
Yeah. Q.
Q.
Hmm.
Quer. Q will pronounce same as Q.
Yeah.
Quer.
QU is qua, so queer.
Quer. Then
Next.
R.
Hmm. Yeah. R, speak the example.
R.
Riser.
Riser.
Hmm.
Braider.
Brooder.
Brooder. Sweater.
Schwester. Okay. Riser, Brooder and Schwester. Next. S.
S. It will pronounce as Z.
Hmm.
And if double S, it will pronounce as sound S.
Hmm.
Zingen.
Hmm.
Slosh.
Zingen
Zingen.
and
Slosh.
Schloss. Okay. Zingen and Schloss.
Or
Yeah.
Schloss.
Next is T. Speak the example.
T. Tanken. Rattan.
Tanken and Rattan.
Tanken and Rattan.
Okay. Tanken and Rattan.
Rattan.
Next is V and W.
V will become fa. Will pronounce as fa. And W is pronounced as va.
Yeah.
Fill for Weser. Wagon. Wasser. Vegan. Or wagon.
No. Wasser and then vegan, not wagon. This is vegan, IE.
Vegan. IE will become E.
Hmm.
Vegan. Okay. Vegan. Wasser. Vegan.
And then wo. Okay.
Next.
Next, X, Y, and Z. Speak that.
X, Y, and Z. X will be pronounced as same. Extralum. X-rays. Extrolum. X-rays. Y will become U. Tweet. Z will pronounce Tasa. Zet. Zug.
Yeah.
Zook.
Sight and Zook.
Zook.
Okay? Sight and Zook.
Zet and Zug.
Yeah. So today what we have done? We have done the letters from A till Z. Okay. After this, in the next lecture, what we'll be doing? We'll be doing the consonant and the vowel combinations. Like today, you saw some combinations, no? Like IE, EI, SCH. Okay.
Right.
EI, IE, some 2-3 combinations you saw today. So remaining another 20 combinations are there that we'll be seeing, and then we'll be practicing more than 1,000+ words. Okay. Today, see, it is the first class, so I'm going a little bit slow so that you become comfortable with this. It's a totally new subject for you. So you take your time. There is no hurry. We have enough time available. Right? So next class, what we'll do, again, we'll be starting from this ABCD only. So your only homework is that, as such, there is no homework. It's very easy, like not even 15-20 minutes you have to study. The thing is that just revise these rules properly from A till Z. Okay, so that we can finish the combinations, and I'll show you what we'll be doing in the next class. See, like this, these kind of passages I'll make you read together. Okay, so it will take some time. Initially, it will be difficult, but the point is that by the end of next class, you should be 100% confident in reading any text written in German. Okay, of any length. So that will, and that is possible, 100% possible by next class only. I'm not saying that wait for 3, 4, 5 lecture, nothing, right? Today one lecture, next class, by the end of next class, you should be done with this properly. Okay, so that then we can actually focus on the grammar after this. Okay, so do that. Let me close this. Okay, just hold on, give me a minute.